Hello world, and one day you realize after all this time, the pot has been inside you all along, that for so many years you have been seeking external solutions, quick fixes that you hoped could somehow permanently quell this war that's been weighing in your mind, the war with yourself, with this enormous and overwhelming desire to be accepted and wanted and loved, and the answer has always been to try to control how people see you, to make sure they only get the version of you that you think they want, and you believe you have to do more and achieve more, and maybe one day it will be enough. But it's never enough. There's always one more thing, and there will always be one more thing if you keep staying on this path. Because though external solution, they are not the way. They won't give you what you seek. No, what they are searching for is in the place you have been avoiding. You have to lie on the ground and place your hand on your heart and do nothing but listen to it beat. You have to visualize every version of yourself you have ever been and show them the love and compassion they never received. You have to open up wide and give people a chance to see and know every part of you, even the parts you have been trying to hide for so long. The pot is inside you, and taking it is going to be the hardest thing you have ever done. But everything you have been searching for is right there. And if you want to know through acceptance and love and freedom, that's where it begins. By Sana Kate Lee. Good morning to you, Ama. A beautiful day to you ahead of this day. On Nana's story, she is asking us if we have already answered the question from Mornings with Ama. Mine will be up tonight, as she said.
Chodź. Chodź. Chodź do mamy, dobrze. Cześć.
On Mornings with Ama post, she captioned it with, "What do you do in everyday life to make this dream become your reality?" As Ama saying on her video, "Hi there! Do you dream? So what is your biggest dream? The dream which makes that as you close your eyes, you are all at this exact moment. When you have achieved it all, when emotion, do you feel them? What do you do in everyday life to make this dream a reality? P.S."
Cześć. Marzysz? A co jest twoim największym marzeniem? Takim, które sprawia, że jak zamykasz oczy, to jesteś cały w tym konkretnym momencie, kiedy już to wszystko osiągnąłeś. Jakie masz wtedy w sobie emocje? A co takiego robisz w codzienności, żeby to marzenie stało się rzeczywistością? PS.
On an story caption with, "We are not letting go, especially that we will soon be sometimes work with yourself from a distance, Alisa."
Oto narzędzia tortur, których będziemy dzisiaj używać do ćwiczeń. Ama już tutaj się grzeje i dzisiaj zrobimy full body workoucik, bo będzie trochę mniej dzisiaj ruchu.
Wiecie, ja po tych ostatnich z dupką do tyłu do tej pory nie mogę chodzić tu.
To się często zdarza, więc męczymy znowu, ale full body workout, więc zaczniemy od największej partii, czyli od, że tak powiem kolokwialnie, dupy strony. I wszystkiego po trochu dzisiaj. Ile zdążymy w godzinę?
Yes!
Go!
If you want to strengthen our leg muscles, we should do this exercise. And it also make your hips wider and your butt bigger. I guess I will do this exercise every day.
No i dobra. Kickbacki, Stoimy w miarę prosto, zgięte kolana, cofnięte bioderka, dopięty brzuch i dosłownie tylko i wyłącznie pośladem ciągniemy nogę zgiętą w kolanie do tyłu, czyli nie musimy tu się nie wiadomo jak pochylać, żeby zrobić duży ruch. Chodzi tu o samo spięcie poślada. Welurek.
Berurek!
Werurek.
In this exercise, Anna telling something interesting like, I wouldn't cut anything if he overheard us during comedy training sometimes.
No moim zdaniem to właśnie potem
Dobra,
tej informacji, co dostałam, rozumiesz?
no. Dobra, to
Jedziemy.
utniesz, a to teraz lecimy. Szeroko łokcie i z wydechem przytulasz. Brzuszek napięty, biodra podciągnięte.
In this exercise, it strengthens your arms and your shoulders.
Jak to mówią panowie, którzy chodzą na siłownię, jak będziesz ćwiczyć dużo rozpiętek, to będziesz najlepsza w przytulaniu. O!
To ładne.
What can you say, guys, on these looks of Simone? Simone, what's up this time? I know you are getting hotter and hotter each day. But this one needed to be get hot and cooked so that we can eat this delicious one, Simone. So better to know, Simone, that you are at Cenicita Studio and that you are doing your work. Happy for you. I can sense it. It will definitely suits you. This kind of clothes, it fit well on you, Simone. This is a kind of clothes that you love to wear. I know it. Oha. We should help Michele in here to fix his clothes. In Michele's free time, he do some art. Good of you, as you can make an addition to your artwork. Here are throwback time story of Michele. Do you remember it, guys? In here, he posted it last October 19, 2024 as a fan page of him. About this one, we remember that he already posted the snake before, unless he showed that this is a year of the snake this 2025. When you see a story post of Michele like this, what comes first in your mind? This is how the making of Dolce & Gabbana Devotion perfume for men as they are on the shooting site, on how their creative director and the hard-working team doing their work meticulously to come up with a productive output. And here is one of the boutique of Dolce & Gabbana in Milan, Italy, wherein Dolce & Gabbana Devotion perfume for men is in the market. Michele is still in New York as they are crossing the George Washington Bridge. Michele reposts a story of a fan page about the trailer of his movie Home Sweet Home Rebirth. I guess many are excited on this movie of him and many are waiting for it. Michele posts a story on how do the making of Home Sweet Home Rebirth movie and asked to Michele before as he said that this is one of his dream role, so his emotions is really into this movie. Let's take a glimpse of this scene. I love to watch this scene of him wherein he give his full intense feelings for his character. Look at it.
My master has risen. He's coming to make the world on you. And of course, you're very welcome to join the party. You're insane! Let me out! Shit! But it's not the way we're friends. I'm so afraid, but you're not well. You're not well at all. Oh, a very nice move, officer. Very.
There is a beginning, we understand that there is an end. If Michele excited for this movie to come out in cinema and all platform to be watched, I know me and all of you are excited too. Let's all watch on how Michele say his thank you to the cast and crew.
And that is this is a wrap on the
Thank you very much for this beautiful adventure, and you guys are great. You guys are so professional. Thank so much to be patient with me. I know I'm not a very easy person to deal with, but I love you so much, and I really can't hope to work with you guys.
Nice to see Michele that he gained a friend in this movie of him. Guys, here is an interesting story of Moira on her IG story, as it said on the post that New York City, this place is literally calling me. And another one, New York City, look who's calling. What can you say guys on how true it was? On my opinion, how true it was, the reality and proof if she will be going New York will come out. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 29 of the 365 days of 2025. Message to all. What is your language of love? Every word you speak has intention, and if you are unclear as to what this is, then it's like driving a car with a blindfold on. Eventually, someone is going to get hurt. Communication is more than just your words. It's also what you are projecting and protecting. Are you aiming at their head or their heart with your communication? We can't speak of love while trying to control someone else. To lead in love is to demonstrate what love is and show the way to someone else who is struggling to find their way out of their own fearful thoughts and feelings. We simply can't do that if we can't get our own under control. You start learning how to manage your feeling by first talking to yourself with love. Every word, every thought has an intention and creates a chemical chain reaction in our body. If you don't like the way you feel, then you're not feeling yourself what you need to hear. Change the story in your head and you will change the feelings in your heart. All that we can really learn to control are our thoughts and our reaction to our thoughts. Everything we do is manifestation of either our success or failure in that. If you really want to communicate with love, you must feel the calm surrender of love in your body, and then you can speak it from your lips. By Joel Clemons.